Hey everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and today I want to tell you a little bit about the difference between property management companies. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, what's the difference? They all just collect rent. Well, yes and no. So what we have is three different styles, three different categories of property managers that we can classify for you. The first one is the mom and pop property manager. The second one is the state or regional property manager. And then the third is the corporate, okay, the national chain property manager. Now, what you have to think about as a property owner is which is best suited for you. And in our experience, a mom and pop operation is very intimate. You likely will speak to the owner of the company for any and all issues. You can get text messages, you can get phone calls, emails directly from the property management company owner. Now, this is very inefficient from a system standpoint from our experience, but as an individual owner, you may enjoy that style of communication. With a regional or statewide property manager, much like Nexus, you'll never speak to the owner of the company most likely, okay, but you will speak to a general manager, a leasing director, a maintenance director, and it's more compartmentalized, so you're speaking to a specialist for any and all issues that you have. However, you may not get a text message or a personal phone call. There's probably a portal system or some type of software that assists with the property functions. And the third here is the national, the corporate chain. Now, these companies often have account managers. So you're speaking to one person who has no idea about your property and is getting information from somebody else, okay, whether it's a maintenance person or a subcontracted leasing agent, whatever it may be, it's usually secondhand information. Now, depending on the property you have, that may not be a problem, okay? So once again, we have the mom and pop, the statewide regional, or the national corporate chain. Now, you have to think about which one sounds best, and to me personally, all my properties are with Nexus. And yes, I do work here, okay? But if I did not work here, I would feel most comfortable with Nexus's approach, okay? It's not too intimate, not too personal, but also not distant. It's a nice sweet spot in between where it's factual, okay? It's information that I need at my fingertips at any time, and I'm speaking directly with the person who has knowledge about it, okay? So once again, this is Gregory Rice at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.